working for you in high definition. This is Channel 4 News at 6:30.
The view from a drone, it's attracting businesses to the technology, but are they legal? Good evening and welcome to Channel 4 News at 6:30. Tom has the night off. Many fields are experimenting with these drones.
Amazon is even developing a plan to deliver packages with them. But there are questions about privacy and legality. Channel 4's Jennifer Herron has the story.
It may look like something from a sci-fi movie, but for this realtor, the drone is bringing in a wave of business.
For people, especially in the military, when they're PCSing from another post to Fort Campbell, they a lot of times can't see property in person, so this kind of technology is really appreciated.
It's a bit of an investment, running anywhere from $300 to thousands of dollars.
We'll have it in the air, as short as 10 seconds, as long as 3-4 minutes. It's 1080p clarity, and it's just like a video camera is on a cloud, just elevating and elevating.
It's not just realtors. Farmers are checking on crops. Movie crews are using the shots. And back in February, a Florida roofer sent drones into a Laverne neighborhood, raising concerns about privacy.
Nothing really is new taking place right here. Manned aviation, they can put sensors on their aircraft, and news reporters, police helicopters, all this stuff takes place already.
MTSU has started developing a program for unmanned aircraft, but all of this is a bit preliminary.
Technically, it's illegal. The FAA hasn't issued rules to allow for commercial operations in the U.S., so people that are doing that, they're just taking risk right now.
The FAA can hand out fines, but the popularity is still growing. This developer just moved some property thanks to the up-to-date land shot from a drone, while some sites with satellite views still aren't showing a subdivision 18 months after building began.
Probably 85% of the buyers start out online. This gives you more accountability. This is showing you, hey, this is what it is.
Jennifer Herron, Channel 4 News.
The FAA has set September of next year as the target date for new guidelines on drones. In the meantime, the Business and Aerospace Department at MTSU is answering questions and consulting.